product table has a mix of color. Okay, so we need color, which is all the way in the product entity. Has a mix of single colors, multiple colors, separated by oh, hold up. Whoa. The color field in the product table has a mix of single colors or multiple colors separated by commas. Cool. That's just saying that the entity instances have many colors inside the attribute, such as yellow, orange, blue, white, gray, cream, and they're all separated by commas. Provide a list of products. Okay. I just need the product entity so far, and replace every comma with a semicolon plus one space. So I need to hit on these as I'm walking through. So we're pulling all of these attributes from one entity, which is awesome because it makes it so much easier to understand. And the entity is going to be product. In our select, it says the color field in the product table has a mix of single colors or multiple colors separated by commas. Provide a list of products and replace every comma with a semicolon plus one space. So in our select, what we need to do is type our keyword, replace, open close parenthesis, to encapsulate what we're replacing. So with our keyword, we need to tell the keyword in what attribute we are going to be replacing stuff. So our attribute is color, and we needed to put a comma because this is like the concat thing. It's like this plus this plus this. This is what. Okay. So we have our attribute, and we put a comma, and we're going to tell it for every comma. So we have to put single quote, comma, and then we put another comma because we're saying, and in addition, we are going to put, let's see, I wanted to replace with a semicolon, so single quote, semicolon, and it also wanted one space after the semicolon. So I'm going to put a space. And to walk this through one more time, with our keyword replace, we need to tell what? We need to tell replace keyword, or the computer, what attribute to look at. Within this attribute, for every comma, I want to replace it with a semicolon with a space. And we're going to call this open. Okay, again, it's got those single quotes, but I don't, let's see, in the problem. Did it want a single quote? Okay, no, it didn't. Open, color. It also wanted product ID. It wanted product name, composition, category, and open color. For simplicity, include only product IDs for products with a list of... Okay, so now it's saying I only want information if the attribute product ID I'm sorry, I was getting ahead of myself right there. So, it's saying, for simplicity, I only want to print stuff out if it meets this criteria. And the criteria happens to be price less than $20. So what we do is look at our product entity and we find list price. We put less than $20. It didn't say equal to, so I'm not going to put an equal sign. And whose length of color. Okay, this is another keyword that we're going to be using. Is it? Close parenthesis. I'm going to check that code real quick. Okay, yeah, it's len. So len means length. And let's see. Length of the color data is greater than 7. Okay. So we're saying keyword length, I need to tell it what attribute to look at, which is color. And I want it to be greater than 7 characters. I'm going to check my code down here and make sure that's right. Okay. Now let's run this. We should not get yelled at. Awesome. This is our query that we just wrote. So refer back to this as I'm walking through. Our column open color, we put keyword replace, and we said for the attribute color, for every comma, I want you to put a semicolon. So if we would have just printed out color attribute, it would have given us, I'll go ahead and print this out so you guys can see it side by side. Okay. Now notice, we have like messed with the color attribute and how it prints out by replacing things. And the thing that we replaced within our color attribute were the commas. And in replacement, we gave it a semicolon plus a space. So that is why under open color, we see semicolons, but in color, you see commas with no spaces. Moving on, we have product ID printed, product name, composition, category, and it looks like we didn't print our list price, but we can see with this color what it's doing. This is doing right here is it is printing, for example, black or blue has characters that is less than 7, but I only wanted characters that were more than 7. So that means you're not going to see, you will see blue and you will see black, but that's plus characters of another color. So in all, in total, you have more than 7 characters. Our list price is less than 20. We don't have that in our print, so I'm going to go ahead and print that out so you guys can see that that worked correctly. List price, and look right here at our code. List price is less than 20, so you should not be seeing anything that is greater than or equal to 20. We get close to it, but you shouldn't see any, and it looks like we don't. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these because the problem didn't want those.